On a scale of 1 to booty cheeks, how bad is this? Yeah. Day 2 of everyday vlogging, or trying to vlog every day. We'll see. I am committed to this. This is happening. I don't care what anyone says, it's happening. So now with the studio, I at least got curtains up. So now I'm about to go ahead and start trying to put in my, my computer desk, which is way over here, catching a break and everything. So still got the computer desk, gotta get that set up. Got a secondary computer desk as well, so that I can have a shot of straight on plus a shot to the side is the way I was looking at it. So this is my secondary desk. They're kind of like a low profile monitors. They're not good for like editing or anything like that, but I had to move them off to the side. So, I mean, it's coming along nicely. I got kind of lazy and then tired. So when that happens, I'm not ready to do anything, but it's getting there. It's trying to get there at least. So we'll see how this goes. I had to take a break, y'all. I had to give me some Disney life in. Also, I needed to check out the DJI Pocket Osmo 3. This is my first time having this particular camera, and it's been good so far in vlogging mode with one person. However, when you add a second one, things get kind of interesting. Is it my fault things have gotten interesting? Yes. I'm not saying that I'm not the problem. I'm 100% the problem, but... There we go.
Oh, I think it's following him.
It just does things. I'm still trying to figure it out. Okay, can we agree to disagree that it could also be them? I'm just saying, it was a little difficult. I mean, it was a little difficult because it was the focus, man. The focus was killing me. Because when you think about like the focus coming from Sony, right? Because Sony has always nailed that focus. No matter what happens, I don't care who it is, whatever, you always know the focus. Sometimes this thing hunts a little bit. It's trying to find a subject to focus on too, and it kind of irks me a little bit. I know that's because of myself and also because of the settings. I haven't finished all the settings and everything like that. I didn't set the aperture, all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go through, set that up, see if that makes a difference, and then go from there. On a scale of 1 to booty cheeks, how bad is this? Yeah. Hold on, I'm not done. Let me show you the other side. It's like this, right? I think it's okay, but I think it leans closer to booty cheeks than it does closer to actually being good. All right, let me tell you what happened, right? So to get a door on this thing here, that's like 3 grand, okay? Or maybe a little bit more. It's like 3,500. To get a door that swings open like I was thinking about a barn door, but if I use a barn door, it will take some of the space away. And I didn't know if I wanted to do that. Yeah, that's the price point. It was like $3,500 for that. But this was like, you know, 40 bucks. So maybe 50. So it wasn't super expensive. And I mean, on top of that, it gives you the noise dampening that you want, but at the same time, it's not the prettiest, all right? So it kind of makes everything look a little cheap, you know what I mean? So I don't know. I mean, I've used curtains before in order to hide stuff. I mean, it's not like there's not a curtain right here. And this is cool. Nobody complains about this. This is fine. But the moment that it's a door, it's a problem. So I don't know. I'll figure it out.
You want to be here too.
Okay, now I'm recording. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'll do it again.
Okay. Guess where we are today? Epcot. All right. So come with us as we explore Food and Wine Festival.
There we go. And that's going to do it for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, go ahead and like button. If you really like it, go ahead and subscribe. I love you either way. Take care. All the best. And bye. I will see you tomorrow. Oh my goodness. It is like a tomorrow thing. It's like a day to day to day. So we'll see how it goes. I kind of like the idea of being able to make a video every single day, but I don't know if I have the willpower, but we will find out. So we will find out together just how far I can go with this. But till then, peace.